Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best AGM battery chargers on Amazon. If you've got an occasional use vehicle, ATV, motorcycle, snowmobile, boat, tank, submarine, or anything else that uses an AGM battery, it's a good idea to invest in an AGM battery charger if you haven't already. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Fovel Automatic Trickle Battery Charger. The Fovel Automatic Trickle Battery Charger is a versatile and uber affordable AGM trickle chargers that are compatible with all lead-acid, flooded, or sealed batteries. It's a great option for maintaining and charging cars, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, RVs, and more. Thanks to the compact design, it's easy to store and transport in any vehicle, so you can keep the charger on hand at all times. It features a 4-step charging program that includes initialization, bulk charge, absorption mode, and float mode. All you need to do is connect it to your vehicle's battery. The built-in LED indicators let you know about the charging status, even in maintenance mode. What we like about it: super compact and portable. Highly affordable. Capable of charging 6 and 12-volt batteries. What we don't like about it: flimsy battery clamps. Not capable of jump-starting a dead battery. Number 2. Schumacher Fully Automatic Battery Charger. Schumacher offers a 12-volt unit you can use to charge and maintain different battery types, including AGM, deep cycle, and gel batteries. It's fully automatic, affordable, easy to use, and ideal for long-term use. With the SP1356 you get to keep your batteries at peak power and ready to use all the time. The unit offers multi-stage charging, auto voltage detection, and reverse hookup protection. All of these features ensure more precision and safety for both the charger and the battery. You'll be able to charge your vehicles in a breeze. The clamp and ring terminal adapters are easy to connect, and the package includes convenient instructions in case you run into any issues. What we like about it: affordable smart charger. Features multi-stage charging and automatic voltage detection. Includes ring terminal adapters. What we don't like about it: charger housing is flimsy. Can't jump-start dead batteries. Number 3. Tech 12-volt Battery Charger. These chargers are great for charging larger cars, SUVs, and trucks. This is a convenient 12V charger suitable for all kinds of lead-acid batteries, including WED and AGM batteries. It's an automatic unit that features 4 charging modes for precise and safe charging. Along with powering up drained batteries, it can diagnose and maintain stored ones. The charger is rather compact and lightweight, which makes it quite handy for emergencies. This unit is highly portable and intuitive to use. Even a beginner can figure it out in a few minutes. Additionally, the charger is shock and dustproof. It features a sturdy housing that can withstand some serious abuse in harsh temps, making it suitable for outdoor conditions. What we like about it: solid option for larger vehicles. Can be used as a 12-volt power supply. Can restore deeply drained batteries. What we don't like about it: pricey. Cigarette lighter adapters are not compatible with all vehicles. Number 4. Sooner Power 20W 12V Solar Car Battery Charger and Maintainer. This solar charger is designed to keep your car battery charged, even if you're not driving your car for an extended period. It's portable and easy to use, making it a great choice for those who love outdoor activities such as camping, boating, or fishing. The solar panel is made of monocrystalline silicon, which is known for its high efficiency and durability. The solar panel is also designed with an anti-reflective coating, which improves its performance in low light conditions. The charger comes with a 10-foot cord, which makes it easy to place the solar panel in a location that receives direct sunlight. The cord is also designed to be durable and resistant to extreme temperatures. What we like about it: an eco-friendly solution. As it uses solar energy. Can help save money in the long run. What we don't like about it: long charging time. Number 5. Tower Top Battery Charger. The tower top battery charger gets a nod for being a smart, versatile and powerful option that is capable of charging AM batteries as well as gel, deep cycle and standard batteries as low as 1 volt. It's a fully automatic charger that is virtually foolproof, providing you know how to attach the battery cables properly. What we like about it: capable of charging a variety of batteries. Capable of jump-starting dead batteries. Features 8 different charging stages for optimal function. What we don't like about it: pricey. No on-off switch for starting or stopping operation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.